Hello, everyone. I'm Lily, and I'm thrilled you're here with us today.
And I'm Sam. Hey, Lily, you seem really excited today. What's the occasion?
Sam, I am excited. Today's lesson is something really special. We're going to teach 50 daily English conversations that every beginner needs to know.
50 conversations? That's incredible. These are the phrases people use every single day, right?
Exactly. You can study grammar rules for months, but without these daily phrases, it's like learning to cook without ever tasting the food.
That's so true. These simple conversations are what make you sound natural and confident in English.
Whether you're at a coffee shop, meeting new friends, or chatting with coworkers, these phrases will help you connect with people.
So if you've ever felt nervous about speaking English, this lesson will be a game changer for you.
Stay with us until the end because we're covering everything from greetings to goodbyes and everything in between.
And before we start, please hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up.
Your support helps us create more lessons like this. It means everything to us.
All right, Lily, let's dive right in. Where should we start?
Let's begin with the foundation of every conversation, greetings.
Greetings are the very first words you say when you meet someone. They're simple, but so important.
That's right. Let's start with the most basic ones. Conversation number 1.
Hello.
Hi.
Simple, friendly, and works anywhere. Conversation number 2.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
You use good morning from sunrise until about noon. It's polite and warm.
Exactly. Imagine walking into your office, seeing your colleague, and saying, "Good morning," with a smile. It sets a positive tone for the whole day.
Conversation number 3.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Nice to see you.
Use this after 12 p.m. It's perfect for professional settings or when you see someone after lunch.
Conversation number 4.
Good evening.
Good evening. How was your day?
This one is for later in the day, usually after 5 or 6 p.m.
Now, conversation number 5 is more casual.
Hey, what's up?
Not much, just hanging out.
What's up is super casual. You'd use it with friends, not in formal situations.
Right. And here's conversation number 6.
Hi there, long time no see.
I know, it's been ages. How have you been?
Long time no see means you haven't seen someone in a while. It's friendly and warm.
These greetings are your entry point into any conversation. Master these and you're already ahead.
Section 2. How are you? After greetings, the most common question in English is, how are you? Let's practice different ways to ask and answer.
Conversation number 7.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm great, thank you.
This is the most standard exchange, simple and natural.
Conversation number 8. How are you doing?
I'm doing well, thanks.
How are you doing feels slightly more casual than how are you?
Conversation number 9.
How's it going?
It's going great, and you?
How's it going is very casual, perfect for friends and colleagues.
Conversation number 10.
How have you been?
I've been good, thanks. Busy, but good.
This one implies you haven't seen the person in a while.
Conversation number 11.
What's new?
Not much, just the usual. You?
What's new is asking if anything interesting has happened recently.
And conversation number 22.
How's everything?
Everything's fine, thanks.
This is a nice, general way to check in with someone. Section 3, Introductions. Now let's talk about introducing yourself and others. These conversations happen all the time.
Conversation 13.
Hi, I'm Sam. What's your name?
Nice to meet you, Sam. I'm Lily.
Nice to meet you too, Lily.
Simple introductions like this are perfect for first meetings.
Conversation 14.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. How about you?
I'm from the United States.
Asking where someone is from is a great conversation starter.
Conversation 15.
What do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. And you?
I'm an English teacher.
This means asking about someone's job or studies.
Conversation 16.
Have we met before?
I don't think so. I'm Sam.
Nice to meet you. I'm Lily.
This is useful when you're not sure if you've met someone.
Conversation 17.
Let me introduce you to my friend.
This is Tom. Tom, this is Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Introducing others is an important social skill.
Conversation 18.
How do you know each other?
We work together. How about you two?
We're old friends from college.
This helps you understand connections between people. Section 4, Small Talk. Lily, small talk is the art of casual conversation. It keeps things friendly and comfortable.
Conversation 19.
Beautiful weather today, isn't it?
Yes, it's gorgeous. Perfect for a walk.
Weather is the easiest small talk topic. Everyone can relate to it.
Conversation 20.
Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, it was relaxing. I spent time with family. How about yours?
It was great. I went hiking.
Asking about weekends is common on Monday mornings.
Conversation 21. How's work going?
Pretty busy, but good. Lots of projects. You?
Same here. Busy, but enjoyable.
This is perfect for colleagues or professional contacts.
Conversation 22. Have you seen any good movies lately?
Yes, I watched an action movie last week. It was amazing.
Oh, which one? I'm looking for something to watch.
Movies and entertainment are great casual topics.
Conversation 23.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I'm a coffee person. I need it every morning.
Me too. Can't function without it.
Simple preferences create connection and common ground.
Conversation 24.
Any plans for the weekend?
Not yet. Maybe just relax at home. You?
I'm thinking of going to the beach.
Asking about plans is friendly and shows interest.
Section 5. At a restaurant. Now let's practice conversations you'd have at a restaurant. These are super practical.
Conversation 25.
Table for two, please.
Of course. Follow me, please.
This is how you ask for a table when you arrive.
Conversation 26.
Can I see the menu, please?
Here you go. Take your time.
Always polite to say please when ordering.
Conversation number 27.
What do you recommend?
The pasta is excellent, very popular.
Great. I'll have that, please.
Asking for recommendations is smart and shows trust.
Conversation 28. I'll have the chicken sandwich, please.
And I'll have the salad.
Would you like anything to drink?
Water is fine, thank you.
Clear and polite ordering makes everything smooth.
Conversation number 29.
Excuse me, could we get the check, please?
Of course, I'll bring it right away.
In American English, we say check. In British English, it's bill.
Conversation number 30.
How was everything?
It was delicious, thank you.
Glad to hear that.
Always nice to give positive feedback when the service is good.
Shopping conversations are everywhere. Let's practice the most common ones.
Conversation number 31.
Can I help you find anything?
Yes, I'm looking for a blue sweater.
Right this way.
Shop assistants often start with this friendly question.
Conversation number 32.
How much is this?
That's $25.
Okay, I'll take it.
Direct and simple. Perfect for shopping.
Conversation number 33.
Do you have this in a different size?
Let me check. What size do you need?
Medium, please.
Sizes are important when shopping for clothes.
Conversation number 34.
Can I try this on?
Of course, the fitting room is over there.
Thank you.
Always try before you buy.
Conversation number 35. Is this on sale?
Yes, it's 30% off today.
Great, I'll buy it.
Everyone loves a good discount.
Conversation number 36.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we accept all major cards.
Perfect. Thank you.
Important to know before you get to the checkout. Section 7. Asking for help.
Sometimes we need help, and it's important to know how to ask politely.
Conversation number 37.
Excuse me, could you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
I'm looking for the train station.
It's 2 blocks that way.
Thank you so much.
Starting with excuse me is polite and gets attention.
Conversation number 38.
Sorry, do you know where the bathroom is?
Yes, it's down the hall on your right.
Thank you.
Simple and polite. Gets you the information you need.
Conversation number 39.
Can you repeat that, please? I didn't catch it.
Sure, I said the meeting is at 3 p.m.
Got it. Thank you.
It's okay to ask people to repeat. Native speakers do it too.
Conversation number 40.
Sorry, I don't understand. Could you explain?
Of course. Let me say it differently.
Thank you. That helps.
Never be afraid to ask for clarification.
Conversation number 41.
Could you speak a bit slower, please?
Sure, no problem.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
This is especially helpful when you're learning.
Conversation number 42.
Do you have a minute? I need some help.
Of course.
What's up?
I can't figure out this form.
Let me take a look.
Polite and direct. People are usually happy to help.
Section 8. On the phone.
Phone conversations in English can feel tricky, but these phrases make them easier.
Conversation number 43. Hello, this is Lily speaking.
Hi, Lily. This is Sam. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. What can I do for you?
Identifying yourself clearly is important on the phone.
Conversation number 44. Can I speak to Mr. Johnson, please?
One moment, please. I'll transfer you.
Thank you.
Formal and polite for business calls.
Conversation number 45.
Sorry, he's not available right now. Can I take a message?
Yes, please ask him to call me back.
Will do. What's your number?
Leaving messages is common in professional settings.
Conversation number 46.
I'll call you back later, okay?
Sounds good. Talk to you soon.
Bye.
Simple and friendly way to end a call.
Section 9. Saying goodbye.
Every conversation needs a good ending. Let's practice different ways to say goodbye.
Conversation number 47.
I have to go now. It was nice talking to you.
Same here. Take care.
You too. Bye.
Polite and warm. Perfect for casual situations.
Conversation number 48.
See you later.
See you. Have a great day.
You too.
See you later is super common and friendly.
Conversation number 49.
I'll catch you later, okay?
Sure. Talk soon.
Bye.
Very casual. Great for friends and colleagues.
And finally, conversation number 50.
Thanks for everything today. I really appreciate it.
You're very welcome. Anytime.
Take care. Goodbye.
Goodbye. See you soon.
Conclusion.
Wow, Lily. We just covered 50 daily English conversations.
I know. From greetings to goodbyes, shopping to phone calls, these are the phrases you'll use every single day.
The best part? They're all simple, natural, and practical. You don't need complicated grammar to sound confident.
Exactly. Just practice these conversations and you'll start sounding more fluent immediately.
Remember, confidence comes from practice. Use these phrases this week in real life.
Start small. Greet someone. Ask how they are. Order coffee in English. Every little step counts.
And here's your challenge. Pick 3 conversations from today's lesson and practice them out loud right now.
Don't just watch, actually speak. That's how you build muscle memory.
And tell us in the comments which conversation was your favorite. We read every single one.
If this lesson helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to Daily English Practice.
Your support helps us create more lessons just like this one. We appreciate you so much.
Share this video with anyone learning English. Let's help more people speak confidently.
Thank you for learning with us today. We're so proud of you for taking this step.
Keep practicing, stay confident, and remember, every conversation is practice.
We'll see you in the next lesson with more practical English you can use every day.
Until then, keep speaking, keep growing, and keep believing in yourself.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you soon!